lose trades and the investments don't always go the way that you planned. And maybe you made a few decisions and you didn't perform as best as you could. And you look back and it kind of hurts and you're like, dang, if I would have changed that, then I probably would have, well, won the investment or made money. And, at the end of the day, it hurts. You got to feel the hurts, because if you don't, then you're not going to, learn from it, really get to feel it. But feel the hurt, look at it, what caused that to happen, and how can we improve so that next time we can adjust. It really is going to come down to being able to hold and have a little bit more patience when investing. And patience is the key. It was today. I sold Palantir stock early. Yesterday, I made a video about 5 reasons why you should consider buying Palantir. And particularly, I was in PTIR. And I was holding this stock anticipating it was going to go up. And it's really funny because I had bought somewhere around here. And today, TSLL, which is one of my stocks, was going down, and I wanted to hedge my position. So I ended up buying the inverse of TSLL so that I could basically get through without selling my position and hedge a certain amount of it. Biggest mistake that I made all week, for sure, because we missed out on this big move from Palantir. It's not that we didn't see it coming. Up 7% or 8% from that low. And that's something that is going to happen, right? It's going to continue this direction, I believe. We just mapped it out. We were looking at it and we said, hey, Palantir is at a support. Some of the reasons why they were bullish was because of their recent contract that they got with AWS and Amazon. That's actually that's a pretty good trend right there that you could see. And aside from their new Amazon contract, they also recently really beat their earnings. So it's been quite a good month for Palantir. And I think that they're up somewhere around like 50% on the month. And essentially we saw them pull back to this $84 price range. Still got room to run though. I could see them continue up. It's not like we missed out on everything. Potentially could be getting back into a position here. There's still 12% to run if we see it get back to that previous, or not previous, but rising resistance that we've seen it establish. Palantir has been one of those stocks that has been getting big government contracts. So not only military and federal and government contracts, but also we see them impacting Amazon and all of the industries really that are impacted by AI, which is almost every industry. So Palantir is one of the bullish stocks that we've looked at. If we drop over to kind of like the top market caps companies and we look at the companies, it's not anywhere close to top number 1 here, right? We don't see it here, but I remember Nvidia when I was average up investing when it was $20 a share, equivalent to what it is now. And I remember thinking it's going to go up so much. And the thing is, if we scroll down, we can go all the way to what is ranked probably 150 or something. Let's see. It's 130 billion. Right here, 134 billion market cap is Palantir. So they're ranked 120th. And if we see them get to what we could see really in the top, let's say 50 or top 20 companies in the United States, well, I mean, let's just go back. They're at 120 market cap. Let's say that they slot in here right around Oracle, which is, a software company. Let's say they slot in Oracle. That would be a $518 billion market cap, which if you divide that by 130, we're looking at almost a 3x, right? So if we see them get into the Magnificent Seven and the trillion plus valuations, then we're looking at a 4x to what potentially could be 11x on the stock. So, it's really a underdog AI and tech company that I've been invested and keeping an eye on. Really just missed this move today, which is a bummer. I wish that we were able to capture that 7% gain, what would have been about a 4.5% gain on the day. But we'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to be covering Palantir tomorrow live at our market open event in Stockmate. If you want to watch me live trade every single morning at market open, I would encourage you guys to check out Stockmate. It's that second link down below. And we have our best sale ever right now. It's not going to get any better than this, as we just recently launched Stockmate, and you can get that coupon code for the holiday season down the second link down below. So again, if you want to watch me trade live, second link below. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button, and hopefully consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.